Hello and welcome to CSIS1. My name is Alex Stoikov. I am your instructor for the semester. What you're seeing here is your course homepage. This video will quickly show you how to navigate the class page. So you will see that on this homepage there's a couple of links. There's a welcome message, syllabus, office hours, and then I have broken the class down into 16 weeks, and you can see a link for each of these 16 weeks on the class page, and you can see the duration for each of these different weeks, when it starts and when it ends, so you can easily keep track of those in your calendar. Okay, so you can see the duration of the class and the different deadlines posted on the class webpage. You can see my preferred contacts, which is my email, astoikov@gavilan.edu. Please include subject CSIS1 in all your emails. There are 2 textbooks in this class, which you can see if you click on the syllabus. Okay, the 2 textbooks are, one is Practical Computer Literacy, and the other one is the Microsoft Office 365. Both of them are posted on the syllabus, and you can see the ISBNs so that you can get those cheaper online if you choose to do so. Okay, those 2 books, if you can't afford them, can be used for free in BU111, which is our business lab. They can also be found in all of our Gavilan campuses, but you cannot take these textbooks home with you. You have to use them in the labs. Okay. The welcome message, which you can see here, is the next thing that I'm going to go over. I already told you the first part. Attendance. This is an online class, so you're expected to come to this class webpage at least once a week, and you're expected to turn in the assignments that are posted in each of these 16 weeks, preferably by the end of that week. The deadlines are mainly to keep you working on track with the class. You're not going to be penalized if you don't turn something on time. If it is overdue, you will not get penalized for that. Okay? If you turn in something by the end of the semester, I will grade it for you for full credit. However, the incentive for you to turn in things on time is because I offer a free grade and regrade for you. Okay, so every assignment you can resubmit. If it did not get 100%, you can fix it, resubmit it. Okay, but you don't want to procrastinate. If you turn in everything in the last couple of weeks of class, I'm not gonna have time to do this for you. Okay, but for best results, don't turn things in more than a week after they were assigned. So for example, turn in assignments from week 1 by the end of week 2. Okay, so you have 7 days from the end of week 1 to turn in the assignments from week 1. You do this and you will do great in the class. Okay, if you have any issues, if you have any problems, you need tech support, I'm your tech support. Okay, contact me and I'll get back to you within 24 hours on weekdays and 48 hours on weekends, usually sooner. Okay, I already told you that you can resubmit assignments, and the next thing that I need to point out is the grades, right? So there's only a couple of links in here. So one is the home, which takes you to the home page, which we already saw. The other one is the grades, which is where you can check your grades. Okay, if anything did not receive 100%, for example, if this first one did not get 40 out of 40, then right here to the right of it, you will see some kind of a message where I would explain what was wrong so you can fix it and resubmit it. Okay, when you check your grades, be sure that you uncheck this. Okay, uncheck this in order for you to see your true grade. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see your true grade. So uncheck this. You do not want to have it checked like this. You want it to be like this. Okay, so now if you go to the home page, you can also see there is office hours. In the office hours, I'm available to help you in person. Even though this is an online class, I'm a full-time instructor at Gavilan. come by, I'll help you. So 16 weeks, I already mentioned. We broke this class into 16 weeks. You can click on each of these links for the 16 weeks. Let's say, for example, I'm going to click on week 2. You're going to notice that each week is going to tell you what you're going to learn, what you're going to have to read to learn this, and what you're going to have to do to master this subject that you have learned. Usually, you're going to have an assignment and a quiz. The assignments are going to be from this textbook, the Microsoft Office 2016 textbook. Okay, this book is broken down into different sections. There's a Word section, there's an Excel section, there's an PowerPoint section. What you have to do is for each assignment, you have to look at what section from the book you're supposed to do. For example, here in part 1, you're supposed to do the Word section, pages 4 through 13, right? And then you're going to save this thing as your first Word document. So you're going to have to do 4 search documents for this assignment, this particular assignment, right? At the end of each of these parts and the assignments, I show you how your final version of your document is supposed to look like, okay? So to make sure that your work has been completed satisfactory, make sure that your work looks like what you're seeing here, okay? So that is the assignment, or this is how the different assignments are going to look like. You submit an assignment by clicking the Submit Assignment button. You can add multiple files, and you just click Choose File, and then find the file, and then upload it to, submit it to that assignment. Okay, so that's how you submit assignments. You can see all of the assignments in one place in the assignments category, right? You can click on this, and you can see all of them. And again, you can also see them grouped by weeks. So if I go to week 2, you can see there's the assignment. If I go previous week 1, there's the assignment. Okay, so you can navigate through the different weeks by clicking the previous and next buttons. And in each of the weeks, there's also, in many of the weeks, there's quizzes, which are from this Practical Computer Literacy textbook. Each quiz is going to cover a different chapter from this textbook. You read the chapter, answer the questions from the quiz. The quiz is set to unlimited attempts. So that means that if you take it one time and you don't like your score, take it again. The questions are going to be the same, just in a different order. So, as you can see, I have set up this class so that you can do the assignments multiple times so that you can get an A. So you can do the quizzes multiple times so that you can get an A. And I'm available to help you out with every step of the way if you get stuck on something. Okay? So, I hope you enjoy the semester. Thank you for taking the class with me. And I look forward to your questions and your emails.